In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free Sitting Cuties plush from PokemonCenter.com. This email was sent on December 30th at 11:17 a.m. for me, so you can search your inbox for this email. And basically, if you were subscribed to Pokemon Center emails, they want you to resubscribe to like a new mailing list. And if you do that, they'll send you a code where you can get a free Sitting Cuties plushie while supplies last. And you'll have to claim this by January 15th. So you want to click this register now button. That would take you to this page right here. So you want to put in your email address, your country, date of birth, accept the terms, and sign up. So that's going to sign you up for this new mailing list. Once you do that, within like 30 minutes, they're going to send you another email. This email will contain a code. This is a one-use code, I believe. So you want to copy this code and click redeem your plush. That's going to take you to this page here with all of the plushies that you can select from. You can pick whatever one you want. I picked Gray Ninja. So you can click on this, add it to cart, then go to my cart in the top right corner. And then this is kind of hidden, but you want to click enjoy Pokemon right here and then paste in your code. And then once you click apply, it's going to make it so that your plush is free. Mine ended up being like 26 cents because there was like a delivery tax for where I'm located or something. But it was like 26 cents. And then you can just go through the checkout. They'll send you an email. This is shortly after. Thank you for placing your order. And then this morning I got the email that my plush has shipped. So there it is, how to get a free plush from Pokemon Center. Just look for this email probably on December 30th. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.